Good morning. It is June 29. Market open at 6:30. Right now is 6:54 a.m. Let's get to the charts and see what's going on. All right, let's draw out the overnight session. Let's see. It looks like we had some good movements last night. Looks like price opened and we shot up for 400 points, came back down, and then we've been kind of slowly recovered to that opening session high, and here we are, the New York Open. We took price up to new highs, and then now we're slowly going down. Uh, 15-minute ATR right now is 120 points, so it's very dangerous. Take it down to the 5-minute and see what's going on with the 5 minutes. 5-minute ATR is 140 points per 5 minutes. Super dangerous. So definitely got to be patient. All right, today I will be trading 5 LUCID Flex 25K funded accounts. Also, I have 5 take profit trader 25K funded accounts, brand new, they're fresh. Here they are. And then I have 5 Funded Family Futures 25K Evals that I'm currently working on. Here they are. Looks like the bears are stepping in and trying to push price down. So the question is, the price was at session high. Will the bears try to take it down to session lows? Maybe. Oh. Move that back. I think so. Is that me or a Trader Vate's a little choppy? A little choppy. Let me see. I kind of like the shorts. Let me try a short right here. Kind of following the momentum to the downside. Don't have to go in too large, just one micro. That first trade in workout is super choppy. Maybe not choppy, but price is just too wild right now. It's 124 points per 5-minute average, so that can definitely happen. Had an opportunity to take some green, I think about 25 points earlier. I saw a flash of $50. I could have taken that, but didn't. So gotta be patient and try again on the next opportunity. So I'm waiting for a little pullback. See, right now my mind was like, if I would have just widened that stop loss a little bit, my trade would have worked out. But can't think like that. Just gotta brush off the last trade, start fresh, wait for the new setup, and then go again. Let's see. I'm waiting for at least price to pull back around here. 580 or even 600. ATR is 110. Bears are really taking this price down. The way things are going, it can really go down to session low. We're at the high, session low, possibly break through, consolidate, or test session low and then come back up to session high. NQ is wild like that. You never know. Okay, a little pullback. Let me try it here. Okay. I went ahead and took a quick take profit. Recovered my losses and made a little profit right there. To feel good for the next trade, let's just wait for the next opportunity. So again, the momentum's to the downside, so I only want to follow the momentum to the downside. But to do that, to enter, is I have to wait for a nice little pullback. So that was a nice little pullback, but I wanted to also wait for the next 5 minutes to form. I want to wait till my opportunity I already took for this 5 minute, so I'm waiting for the next 5 minutes. I don't like to take two trades within the same 5 minute candle. So let's relax and chill out and wait for the next opportunity in the next 5 minute candle, hopefully. I'm waiting for 523 at least. 523, can we get 523, 520s? 520s. Yeah, 520s, I'll take it. Come on. Oh man. Come on. All right, I'll give it a try there. I don't want to size up too much. Okay. I just took some off. So the price is super dangerous, man, because we can easily whip back up, take that green trade into and make it into a red trade. So just going to be super safe, I would say. Take little quick scalps. I do not want to hold any trades for a long time, just because price can easily out of nowhere pull back 50, 100, 150, 200 points within a minute or two. So gotta be aware of that. ATR is still 114 points per the last six cycles of 5 minutes, 5 minute candles. That's where I set my ATR intervals, the last 6 candles. So we're getting close to the session lows. We still have roughly 150 points to go. See, we have a little bit of support and resistance right here. I think they call this support. So that we're at this support area, we can definitely see a bounce up or some type of activity right here. But seems like the bears are pushing right through, disrespecting the support. That candle alone was, what's this? 520s here, 420s here. That's 150 points within that 5-minute candle. Isn't that crazy? Okay, we are breaking through that little previous support, just a small support there. We still have a bigger support down here at the session lows. So the session lows is really significant because this is where price reverse to the upside. So we broke through this recent support here, so I think price will be heading down towards session low support. So let's wait and see. Again, I only want to follow the momentum to the downside currently, but to enter I have to see a pullback. Okay. $320s, dude, that was a 200.5 minute candle. Here's the support area for the session lows. There's a reaction to that support down there. But 200 points on that last 5 minutes, we can easily go back up 100 points, 150 before price continues to go down again. So gotta be aware of that. Yep. Very nice resistance right there. Basically came down to 29.7274, and then we had a reaction 100 points back up. So I think the best thing to do right now is stay out until we have confirmation of what price wants to do. Let's see. ATR is currently 136 points on the 5-minute candle. That's wild. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red candles, and this will be our first 5-minute green candle. Could this be the reversal? That's the question. Sometimes I used to think at this point of the drop, this would be the reversal, but sometimes price can continue, make me think that we're gonna reverse here, but it continues to drop down, or most times we'll start chopping or consolidating right here for a little while. So right now I just need more information, but the current trend or the current momentum is still to the downside. The overall trend is to the downside, but we're having a little bit of reaction. See how the bears just step in. Let me try a long right here since price pulled back a little bit. Let me just take take a little off. Take a little off just because it's so whippy, man. A little profit is better than no profit. So things are whipping 130 points per 5-minute candle. So we have a lot of opportunities, no need to rush it. Only 20 minutes into the session, so no need to get it all in one trade. Just take it easy. it's looking good for the bulls right now. So the bulls came in, and then we made a new higher low right here, and we're still pushing up, and it's higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. So it looks pretty good for a change of trend. We haven't broke the structure yet, so I need the bulls to break 920 for me to think that price is going to push up to the session high. But for the current mini trend, or for the current reaction, it's looking good for the bulls. I want to see more continuation to the top side. So if I were to enter, I only want to enter longs right now because of the momentum, the current momentum's to the buy side. So I'm waiting for price to pull back towards roughly 440 to 420s for an opportunity to buy this price up. So this is a very nice 15-minute candle formation, because the last 15-minute candle formation was 532, 432, 3, like 250 points on the last 5-minute candle, and the bulls brought price back at least 50% or more. So the bulls are really stepping in right now. Okay. So this 5-minute candle finally broke above this long red 5-minute candle, which gives me confidence to enter longs and to look for longs. So this 5-minute candle is almost over, so I'm gonna wait for the next 5-minute candle for an opportunity for longs. But I need a pullback. I need a nice little pullback for the continuation buy. There's one more thing I'm always weary of sometimes is the EMAs. So this is the EMA 21, this yellow line. A lot of EMA users would like to say that it's gonna pull back to the EMA for a reversal. So this is a area of interest where the EMA indicator users would like to sell. So I'm waiting for, well, I can't join longs because I didn't get a pullback. So I'll just be watching, see what price does. Yeah. Missed out on my opportunity. I should have just entered there, but I was a little hesitant. So now the price is no longer in that nice little area, so I can't do anything about it. Gotta wait. Don't want to jump in on a push up above my discounted price area. So gotta sit out. It's only been 30 minutes into the session, so no need to get antsy and force trades. Gotta wait and be patient. So the EMA 21 reversal, touch reversal is invalid right now. EMA users are getting burned. I used to make that play all the time. The EMA kiss for a reversal. So the bulls have basically overtaken the last 15-minute red candle, which gives me additional confidence that price will continue to the session highs. I'm just waiting for my pullback opportunity for joining the bulls. My rule is to wait for price for at least half of the previous candle. So not quite there yet. Cannot enter. Man, my internet is so laggy right now. I need price to be roughly 29,590s for me to enter. I need a discount price. Come on, 590 is a discount price. Even below 590s is better, but I need at least 590s to consider buying. All right, I'll take there 93. Now we're at the 80s. I really like my entry here for the long side, but I didn't want that red candle to form. I wanted the last candle to come down but continue up and still have a green candle. But since I got it at a great price, I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it and give it a chance. ATR is 100 points per 5 minutes, so super dangerous still. only 1 minute into this 5-minute candle, so we still got 4 minutes. So let's give it a chance. We have resistance at these current levels because of the EMAs. EMA users is stepping in. All right, I stepped out. I didn't like the way it was moving. Too much resistance. I wanted to see price just push right up, but it didn't. So at these current EMAs is usually a lot of times where we have some type of reaction. The EMA users like to reverse price all the time, so we might have some consolidation at this area for a little while. So I decided to get out and recover my losses. Still green, pretty good for today, so no need to rush it. It's only been 40 minutes into the session. Let's wait for another opportunity. Starting to see a little bit of a reversal trend. We have lower low, higher low, and then price is continuing to break down below the previous 5-minute candle and not above. So I'm interested for a short time for price to go lower. So if price pulls back a decent amount of movement, I'm willing to take a short. Some nice movements to the downside. We broke below the previous bullish 5-minute candle. So the bears are definitely wanting to take this price back down. Okay, I joined the short because price moved back pretty good. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out, but even if it does, I still want to enter shorts. Dude, price reversed on me. So it was showing price going to the downside, and then bulls came in and just reversed it. So the bulls are stronger right now. Now I really think price will make it back up to the session highs and even higher. Okay. Price pulled back a little bit. I will take the discount for a continuation up. Price is making its way up to the 700s now. Slight reaction to the 700s. Let me take some off. Well, let me take that off. Recover some losses, and the 15-minute candles, it's about to close. ATR slowed down a bit. It's 91 now. Earlier it was 130s to 100. So price action's a little bit more better, more controlled. I would like to see price pull back a little bit more just to enter. Otherwise, it feels like I'm chasing, so I need price roughly around 690s. 690s, I'll be interested. Waiting for 690s. 690s to enter for a long scalp. Had a flash of 699, but we're looking for at least 690s. right, I'll take 700. Take 700. And now we have 690s. It's all right. ATR slowed down. It's now 69 points. All right, I'll add on another contract. ATR is 69 points compared to 120 points from 30 minutes ago. Looking for that push up above this red candle right here. A continuation to the north side.
Order canceled.
Okay, I had to exit the trade to get some money back. Wasn't feeling good earlier because we were up 150, 160, went down to negative 30. So let's get some money back, relax. Come on, you go back up to 7. Took a chance at a long at 692. Come on, man.
Whew.